Just a little quick filming before I go back to the hospital for more stuff. As usual. Just here to pick up some things. Wanted to see if I could get some radishes and carrots from Market Garden. Yeah, just a little walk with Roscoe. Yeah. Oh, I'm fed up. Very fed up. Life is tough. It's funny, you know, I was in a channel and I was talking about what's going on with me, and there was a nice young girl in there, and she's like just turned 19, and I guess she has really bad lungs, and she's saying something about a possible double lung transplant by the time she's 25. And I just thought, how sad, you know, that it's not like somebody else's misfortune makes you think your misfortune's any worse. It just makes you think, why is there so misfortune in the world? Like, nice people get the worst. And evil people, they just constantly, everything seems to go in their direction, you know? Like, evil people. It's like, wow, there's a serious battle going on between good and evil, I'll tell you. And people are evil. This is a cool little airplane thing, but just about to go in because I guess they're closing tomorrow, and somebody said there's barely anything left, so I gotta get this guy in the car and go inside. Okay.